9 reasons why you should be growing tulips and daffodils together. Succession planting ease. Plant early daffodils with mid-season tulips for continuous blooms from late winter through spring, simplifying maintenance with one fertilizing schedule. Extended color palette. Combine tulips' rainbow palette with daffodils' sunny yellows to create striking color combinations that attract pollinators and energize your garden beds. Pollinator attraction. Early season bees depend on tulips for landing pads and daffodils for pollen, supporting pollinators when few other flowers are available. Layered heights for visual depth. Varying heights create garden dimension with shorter daffodils in front of taller tulips, while plants protect each other from weather challenges. Deer and rodent resistance. Daffodils' natural toxins deter squirrels and deer from digging up or eating your precious tulips, eliminating the need for chemical repellents. Natural pest deterrent. Daffodil roots release compounds that inhibit harmful soil organisms, creating healthier growing conditions for tulips and promoting stronger blooms annually. Low-maintenance bulb duo. Both bulbs thrive with minimal care in well-drained soil and full sun, naturalizing over time without the need for annual replanting. Ideal for cut flower arrangements. Harvest elegant tulips alongside architectural daffodils for stunning, long-lasting bouquets that bring spring's beauty and fragrance indoors throughout the season. Complementary cultural needs. Shared soil preferences and sunlight requirements mean one planting method, one fertilizing schedule, and simplified maintenance for both flower types.